By now, it is no longer news that SoSoValue is going to be doing their season 2 distribution this month of January. There's one important task on it that you urgently need to complete, and a lot of your creators, your idols, have also made videos and made posts as regarding to this, and that is the buying of SoSoValue indexes. So I've also received a lot of questions from people as regarding to how to do it, how to go about it, and the likes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. But aside from that, there is also another task that you also have to do. Now, that task has to do with you having a PC. So only those that have a PC will be able to do it. You see on my screen here, I'm already in my XP page. Let's go to this starter pack. So when I click on starter pack, you can see these are the two tasks. Buying of SoSoValue index and then install on desktop. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to do that. For you to buy this, I'm going to show you how to do these two, this buying of SoSoValue indexes and also the installing to desktop, and only those that have system will be able to do it. So once I click on that buy right now, it is going to take me to an external site. This is the page that I'll need to use to buy it. This page now, this link is opened inside my Chrome browser. For you to do this, you need to connect a wallet. Now, I had already initially connected my wallet to my SoSoValue application. For those of you that watched my last video on SoSoValue, I showed you how to connect it. If you've not done that, go and watch that video. Now, if I click on this connect wallet, they show me the wallets to use. It is not working. That is just the problem. I don't know if because it's inside my Chrome, it did not work here. So the best solution that I now prefer now is to copy the link directly. I use OKX wallet. If you use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet wallet, or any other wallet at all, it is fine by you. It is okay. It is good. Go ahead with it. But I tried to connect directly from this my Chrome browser. It is not working. So I have to copy this link. So you see, I'll tap at the top of my screen here so that I can copy this link. After copying it, I'll go directly into the browser section of my OKX Web3 wallet so that I show you how it is done. I've copied it now. Let me look for my wallet. So this is my OKX Web3 wallet. Note, I am using the same wallet that I connected, that I linked to my SoSoValue initially. So let's go ahead and open it up right now. Once it opens up, you click on this Explore, the second menu option at the bottom of your screen. So once you tap on Explore, you use this search bar. Look at this search bar that you can see on my screen here. You click on it, and this is where the link you copied just now comes in use. All right, after pasting the link, you wait a bit. You're going to see this little arrow button. Then you tap on it and wait for it to redirect you to the page where you get to do the swap. Because I am doing this in my Web3 wallet, you can see the connect button did not show, but it told me automatically that I should acknowledge that I am trading with real money, blah, 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 and all of these things. So go ahead and accept the terms. Click on accept. If you look at the top of your screen, you can see the wallet is connected automatically. They are now bringing me all of these things to approve now. So I'll go ahead and approve and put in my password. All right, I've put in my password now. I'll go ahead and approve it. And as you can see, the wallet has been connected successfully. So the next thing to do now is to buy the indexes. That is the SoSoValue indexes. So this is pretty easy, simple, and straightforward. Just click on this Explore SSI that you can see on my screen here. And that will bring you to this page where you click on next to basically accept all of these terms, and this is this. Now, these are the indexes. You can purchase any one of your choice from here. It's simple. You can purchase any one. But for this video, I'm going to be using this USSI. Very important. That is what I'll be using. So, but the problem is that I don't have any this thing on my wallet at all. I don't have any coin. You can see. For me to purchase this, I need to have USDC. And this USDC need to be on base network because all of these things here, they are on base. So you see, if I tap on, I tap to buy now, I'll show you what I mean before I go ahead to, do the deposit. So this is the page here where you get to buy. Let's say I want to convert USDC to this MAG7 SSI. Look at the network is on base. So I need to deposit USDC. If you don't have USDC to deposit, it's simple. Purchase from an exchange like BitGet, Bybit, or meet any vendor of your choice. Or you can also hit me up in the DM. I do sell a lot of these coins. Just check the description box of this video since you're watching from YouTube. Look at my Telegram channel. Click on it. Once you come to my channel, check the pinned post immediately. You see my WhatsApp contact pin there where you can message me to buy this coin. So it's simple. I don't have it on my wallet here, so I'm going to go ahead and deposit USDC. Very importantly, you must note you are depositing USDC. This USDC must be on base network. Look at the wallet I'm copying now is on base network. Also, you need to deposit ETH base. Very important. That is what you're using for gas fee. Now, this is my wallet. I have deposited USDC on Base Network, and I've also deposited ETH on Base Network, $10 each. You don't need up to this amount. Trust me, you don't need up to it at all. $1 or $2 is enough. Now, once you've done that, I'll come over to the link again. So once it takes me to this page, I'm going to click on that Explore SSI once again, and then I wait for this page to load up. Now, what I'm going to be buying is this USSI. That is what I think I should purchase to complete this task. So once you click on USSI, you wait for it to load up. Sometimes it might take time. So once it loads up successfully, what I want to purchase now is, let's say, so I'll be purchasing $2 worth of USSI, and as you can see, it's going to give me about 1.9. So I'll go ahead and approve and confirm the transaction. I urge you, make sure to read what they are showing you on the screen. I'm just not reading it because I'm used to this kind of stuff. So I'm just processing, which is dangerous, by the way. But let's just do it. I just believe instinctively that there shouldn't be any dangerous thing on this page. But make sure to go through it. Just a Web3 warning. Now, approve jumper exchange. Approve jumper exchange. For this, I'm going to be putting just one USDC so that this can go through. So once I click on one, I'm going to confirm the amount and then I proceed. When approving all of these things, they will request for your password multiple times as you're seeing on my screen here. So I have confirmed this now. Let's see if this is going to go through. If it does not go through, we try again. So the first part of this has been done successfully. This is the second part. I think they want to request for okay. So here now, I don't know what is going on, but they're only allowing me to reject. If you look at this thing here, they're only allowing me to reject. So because of that, I am going to go ahead and reject this transaction and I'll try it again and hopefully it should work. For the trying again, I'm still going to be trying the same 2 USDC because I don't believe the value was low. That is why it didn't work. No, I'm still going to be trying the same 2 USDC. This place is where I have to do the approved jumper exchange once again. So this time around, I think let me try something different. So I'm going to be using 2 USDC for this page again, confirm the amount, and after doing that, I'm going to click on confirm. Then I put my password again. So the confirmation button shows this time around, and as you can see, I have successfully confirmed it. Let me confirm in wallet. Okay, yeah, they bring another this thing again. So you're going to be approving a lot of transaction here. Let's click on confirm and my password once again. Once we have all of this out of the way, the transaction should go successfully. So let's see how it goes. This has been done successfully now. Okay, I'm not staking. Now, this is the hardest part, trust me. Let's now go back to the easy part, which is the claiming. So if I scroll, you can see this is my wallet and I have $1.99 worth of USSI and my other tokens are intact. So let's head back into my SoSoValue right now and do the claiming. So come into my SoSoValue, go to the EXP page, click on starter pack once again. And as you can see, the task is not verified here. I want to click on verify. And as you can see, it told me verification failed. So don't panic when you see this message. It's normal. So I'm going to click on buy again. And what we're going to do this time around is you are not buying again, trust me. Now, once you tap on that, the link is going to open up again. So let's go back and then click on verify and see if it is going to go through. Okay, clicking on verifying again, and it still did not go through. So this is what you're going to do if you face this issue. You allow the page to load up in your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy the link once again. After copying this link, I head back into my OKX wallet. Inside this wallet, you go back to the browser section once again, clean the old link that was initially there, then this new link that you just copied, you paste it in, and then I'm going to click on, okay, you tap on that arrow once again so that you can access this link, and you allow the page to load up. It can take time, so just marry patience. Once you come on this page, you are not doing anything here again. You leave it open, then you head back into your SoSoValue application. This thing has refreshed again, but then it's not an issue. Once on this page, you head back to the EXP page once again. And once the page opens up, you go to the starter pack, just as we did initially. And this time around, you click on verify again. And okay, let's wait for this results. Okay, you can see it has now worked successfully. So that is basically that about that. This is how you get to complete the task and claim EXP for the task. So I'm going to go ahead and click on got it. And as you can see, the mission has now disappeared. So we're now left with one mission, which is to install the desktop app. Now, I'd have loved to show it here, but if you know me, I don't like long videos. So for the sake of the length of this video, we'll be stopping here for today. My next video, which is also going to be coming up later on today, if you're on my channel, is on this task, this how to install on PC. So for those of you that want to complete the task, make sure you are glued on this page, turn on your notification. You receive a notification definitely if I drop it. And I also do drop links of videos I post on my Telegram channel. So if you're on any of my channels, definitely you get it. All of these things is easy. Just check the description box of this video. You get the links there where you can join me to stay in touch. Follow me on X, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. That is basically that about that.